Welcome back. Today, we're exploring the essentials of policyholder communication for insurance professionals. In an industry where trust is everything, the way we communicate can make or break our relationships. We'll go over 8 powerful tips to help you connect with policyholders on a personal level and build loyalty. This video is about manual, hands-on techniques. No CRMs or automation here. Each tip is based on real-life examples to show how meaningful, human-centered communication drives retention and satisfaction. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Set regular check-ins. Set a schedule for quarterly or biannual check-ins. Regular touchpoints show policyholders that you're here for them, not just when there's an issue or renewal coming up. A proactive check-in lets policyholders know you're invested in their needs. During these sessions, discuss any policy updates, recent changes, or potential savings they might not be aware of. Case in point, a proactive agent reached out to each client before their renewal dates, walking them through any changes and suggesting adjustments that better fit their needs. This approach helped him retain 30% more clients over 2 years and led to more referrals. Clients felt truly valued by the personal touch. Tip 2. Be transparent and clear. Use straightforward language when discussing policies. Transparency in communication ensures that clients understand what they're getting, reducing the risk of misunderstandings. Insurance jargon can often be confusing, and while terms like deductible or premium adjustment might be familiar to us, they can overwhelm policyholders. Break down the jargon in simple terms and check in with them to ensure clarity. A policyholder reached out, confused about their home insurance coverage. The agent walked them through each section, clarifying terms they didn't understand. The policyholder left the call relieved and shared that they felt they were truly in good hands for the first time, ultimately sticking with that agent long-term. Tip 3. Personalize your follow-ups. Claims are significant moments in a policyholder's journey. A simple follow-up call shows empathy and support. During a claim, policyholders may be anxious. A personal touch, like a call or a handwritten note, reassures them that they're not just a number and that their peace of mind matters to you. An agent followed up on a homeowner's claim after a storm caused roof damage. A simple call to see how things were going and explain the next steps in the process made a huge impact. The policyholder later shared that this gesture turned a stressful situation into a positive experience, reinforcing their loyalty to the agency. Tip 4. Provide timely updates. Keep policyholders in the loop with timely updates. Whether it's a policy change, a billing update, or a reminder about coverage options, being prompt shows you're attentive. Timely updates help avoid last-minute surprises, allowing clients to make informed decisions about their policies. A customer was considering canceling their policy until they received a personal call from their agent, notifying them about a new discount option that would significantly reduce their premium. This proactive approach helped save the policy, and the customer renewed without hesitation. Tip 5. Listen actively. When policyholders express concerns, listen carefully. Reassure them that their input is valued and important to you. Good listening means letting them share without interruptions, reflecting back their concerns, and asking follow-up questions. This approach builds rapport and encourages openness. A car insurance agent once took the time to truly listen to a client's worries after an accident. This empathy led to an open and honest conversation where the client felt understood. The client not only stayed with the agency, but also referred 2 family members, citing the agent's genuine care and concern. Tip 6. Show empathy. Insurance conversations can be emotionally charged. Showing empathy means acknowledging policyholders' feelings and treating each case with compassion. Even when discussing policy limitations or difficult news, expressing empathy helps soften the message and builds trust. An agent assisted a policyholder going through a life insurance claim following a loved one's passing. By simply expressing understanding and providing support, the agent made the client feel valued in a time of grief. This compassion strengthened the policyholder's loyalty and led them to speak highly of the agency. Tip 7. Encourage feedback. Invite policyholders to share their feedback on your service. It shows them that you value their input and are committed to continuously improving their experience. Feedback helps identify areas for improvement and also gives policyholders a voice. This is a win-win, as it empowers them and strengthens your service. Tip 8. Follow up on renewals. A simple renewal reminder is a powerful opportunity to connect. It allows you to review any changes and help policyholders assess whether their coverage still fits their needs. Offering to review their policy before renewal shows that you're invested in their well-being, not just in their payments. These 8 tips are all about providing genuine support, transparency, and empathy to build lasting trust with your policyholders. Remember, it's the small gestures and proactive care that make the biggest difference. If you found these tips helpful and want to explore how Logan IT Inc. virtual assistants can support your policyholder communications further, feel free to book a meeting with us. Let's work together to create stronger, lasting connections.